Samsung has consistently raised the bar when it comes to flagship smartphones, and the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra aims to continue this legacy. With each new model, Samsung fine-tunes its technology, delivering powerful performance, groundbreaking camera enhancements, and sleek designs that captivate users worldwide. As we look ahead to the Galaxy S26 series, expectations are high, especially regarding improvements in photography, processing speed, battery efficiency, and AI-powered features. Let's dive into what this cutting-edge device could bring to the table. Camera upgrades: Samsung's pursuit of excellence. Samsung's Ultra series has always been synonymous with top-tier photography, boasting some of the most advanced camera sensors on the market. With each iteration, we have seen a steady improvement in resolution, zoom capabilities, and overall image quality. Evolution of Samsung's Ultra camera system. Model: main camera telephoto, periscopic telephoto, ultrawide. Galaxy S25 Ultra 200MP 10MP 50MP 50MP. Galaxy S24 Ultra 200MP 10MP 50MP 12MP. Galaxy S23 Ultra 200MP 10MP 10MP 12MP. One aspect that Samsung has yet to fully refine is the basic telephoto lens, which has remained at 10MP across several models. Considering that premium flagship devices from competitors often surpass this spec, Samsung may introduce a 50MP telephoto sensor in the Galaxy S26 Ultra, significantly enhancing zoom clarity and portrait photography. Potential camera innovations. Rumors suggest Samsung could introduce advanced computational photography techniques, including AI-enhanced low-light photography to improve night shots, virtual aperture technology for dynamic depth effects in portrait mode, refined optical stabilization for smoother video recording, new sensor designs to capture more light and reduce noise. If these improvements come to life, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might become one of the most powerful camera smartphones ever released. Performance and hardware enhancements. In addition to camera innovations, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to bring major performance improvements. As smartphone users demand faster processing speeds, better battery efficiency, and seamless multitasking, Samsung must rise to the challenge. Expected performance features. Dual-chip variants. Depending on the region, Samsung might offer models with Exynos or Snapdragon processors, ensuring optimal performance tailored to different markets. Battery efficiency boost. With the growing reliance on high refresh rate screens and demanding applications, Samsung may introduce longer-lasting battery technology with smarter energy consumption. RAM and storage upgrades. Expect higher storage options, possibly up to 1 TB, paired with increased RAM capacity for smooth performance across multiple applications. Cooling system enhancements. With powerful chips generating more heat, Samsung may improve the cooling mechanism to prevent thermal throttling during intensive gaming or multitasking. Samsung's vision for the future. While the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still months away from its official release, Samsung is currently focused on launching its Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, continuing the expansion of foldable smartphone technology.